Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing the best way to make your spongy cake without oven, without mixer. This is very perfect but stress-free. Let's get it started. I'll be using 2 fresh eggs. That is what I'm pouring now into the bowl. You can see here in my front. That is the second one. I'm using 2 fresh eggs. And into this, I'm going to add sugar. Please, for the exact measurements used, check the comment section or the description box. It will be there for you to see. So I poured in the sugar. After that, I'll be adding a pinch of salt. I'm going to mix all those ingredients together until it becomes creamy. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for your love. Thank you so much. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Turn on your notifications to get notified whenever I upload another amazing recipes. You can check out on all our old recipes. So into this, I'm going to pour vegetable oil into this. Feel free to use melted butter if that's what you have, but I'm using vegetable oil. And into the mixture, I'll be adding milk into this, and I'm now going to pour my vanilla sugar into it. You can use vanilla extract or any other aroma you love to give to your own cake. So I'm going to mix everything together now. I gave it a very good mix. It has to become creamy. All right, so into this creamy mixture, I'm going to sieve the all-purpose flour I'll be using. I'm using sieve to do this. So I'm going to pour the flour into it, and I'm also going to add the baking powder. I'm now going to sieve it so that it will be lumps free. This is how I did it. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do so. Join us here. You'll be glad you did. Combine everything. You don't need to overmix this. All right, after adding the flour into it, we only need to combine it well. Don't overmix. Okay, so lovely. You have to have this texture. This is super okay. And get ready for baking. That is the baking pan I'll be using. I poured some vegetable oil into it and I creamed it very well. So now I pour the dough into it. That is the cake batter. That is what I poured into it now, and it is very important to also shake it like this so that the air will come out of it and it will be leveled. So into a pot, I poured some salt into it, and I made this rack. This rack is very good when you have a bigger pot. Because it is too high, I turn it like this and I place the butter into it. Now I'm going to cover it, and the cover I used also have this hole, so I'm just going to cover the hole so that the heat will be able to trap into the pot and give us the perfect results that we need. This is how I'm going to leave it for 60 minutes on the low heat. Lovelies. After that, this is what we have after 1 hour. Do you see what we have here? It's very important to check it like this and be sure it is done. You can see it came out free. That means it is well baked. I allow it to cool down for about 10 minutes, and now I remove the rack. This is what we have. Lovely. The aroma is super. It came out super soft, spongy, and very delicious. Look at what we have. Give it a try, and I bet you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching.